umpisa na po natin ang ating second draw for today. La Union, let's play 3 p.m. draw. Ibabalik natin ang number 28 para sa ating pangalawang pagpili ng ating winning number. Our second winning number is number 16. Uulitin ko lamang po ang ating winning combination ngayong hapon. 18 and 16, 28, 27, and 28 and 16 in some order.
2016.
Uulitin ko lamang po, 28 and 16 in exact order. 28 and 16 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga winners.
Official draw result. June 14, 2024, 3 p.m. draw for draw number 7039 are 28 and 16, 28 and 16, 28 and 16.